thought of making a stitch book for your serger? We talk about it all the time for stitching out all your decorative stitches on your sewing machine, especially in our Stitching Cosmos online course. That's that fun quilt you see in the background. But what about our serger? So this serger has a handful of stitches that you can just work your way through from both the cover stitch, the chain stitch, and then all the stitches that you have using the traditional overlock stitches with different needle positions. You have a color quick reference guide. You can work your way right through here. You've got color on screen stitches. You can work your way right through here. Maybe you take some sheet protectors and some cardstock and go ahead and put your pages right together. And I believe Bernina might even have some pages on their website you can download. And if I can find those, I'll put those in the description below. But you can just create your own stitch book. Think of how much you will learn about the serger, about the threading, how easy it is, and we're going to go through all these steps so you can understand this serger from beginning to end. Then, when you sit down to your next serging project, or maybe it's a craftsy class that you're taking with your serger, you can quick pull out your stitch book, know exactly how it is supposed to look, and know that you've already tried it once and the second time will be even easier. All right, let's get stitching and follow all of our video tutorials that we've created. There's a playlist below in the description that you can start mastering this machine from start to end.